was a howl that night, a howling like you've never heard before. He cried so loud, oh Granddad almost kicked the door. He said, I love this child much as anyone that she ever bore. But I thank the Lord we won't be having any more. Then the baby heard the sweetest sound he ever heard, in a tone so beautiful he hung on every word. She said, hush my love, Granny's little dove is gonna take to the sky. It was on such a night he learned to fly like a bird. Now the years had passed and memories come and go. He hears that voice that rocks him gently so. Take come, will he said, and there's peace at the end of the darkest night. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird. Years had passed and memories come and go. He hears that voice that rocks him gently so. The rain's gonna fall and the winds may blow on the darkest night. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird. And there's peace at the end of the darkest night.